Hey guys, this is Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm introducing one of our newest products. This is our transmission stand. What's cool about this is it is adjustable, so it fits multiple different transmissions. It has different bolt patterns for the bell housing as well as the transmission mount location. It ships flat. It's made out of CNC laser cut steel and it's powder coated for a durable finish. And what's nice about these is that you can throw your transmission on it in the garage and wheel it around and put it in a corner when you're not using it. So it's really convenient. Instead of trying to pick up your transmission and shoving it in a corner, put it on this transmission stand and you don't have to worry about lugging it around. So if you want to find out more about our transmission stand and other products, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.